Good morning. It is September 28th, and it is the opening day of rifle antelope season here in South Dakota. And today's kind of a special hunt. So my brother and his family came out from Minnesota. My wife and I had a new baby about 10, 12, just about 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks tomorrow. Anyways, so they're out to visit, but my brother's going to actually come with me. I have a doe tag, and we're going to be meeting some friends from Sioux Falls, from where I lived previously before moving out here to the Black Hills. We're going to meet them this morning, and we're going to hopefully go kill some goats. We've got about 5 or 6 tags between the group, between bucks and does, so we should have a good opportunity. Today, the weather is not going to be ideal. The high is 50 degrees, and they're talking like 25 to 35 mile an hour winds and rain. So could be interesting. May not film too much of this, but yeah, hopefully we can put a couple goats on the ground. So it's about 4:30 in the morning. We're about to take off. We gotta go meet our friends about an hour away, and then we have another hour on the road. So let's get to it. We've made it up here. It's first light. We're about 15 minutes after sunrise. Got Corey here. How you doing? Driving his sweet rig. Got my brother Troy, and then Corey's kid Isaac here. Isaac's really excited. He's been playing his Nintendo the whole time. We have seen antelope already, on the map. And there are also a lot of hunters out here. But let's keep cruising. We'll get her. Road hunting for the day. Isaac and I both have doe tags. Corey's got a buck tag, and there's a lot of cattle out here. Maybe we should just take one of those.
Troy says so.
Yeah. Troy is obsessed with the cows. He's checking them all out.
It's better meat.
So we're just gonna cruise around. We'll see what we can see, I guess. So we got one out here, a buck, about 300 yards. And he's in public. Corey's the only one with a buck tag, so here we go.
say there's a group of them. So I think let me shoot the buck.
Yeah. And then I'll get out. Okay.
I don't know where the buck is. I bet you
he's right in front of you. His head's up right now. He just turned back towards us.
That's the buck.
That's the buck.
Okay,
yep.
So
he's looking right at us now.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna get on the gun and
just
sit up.
go shoot him. Got him. Oh. He's down.
Okay, let's go look for the doe.
Here, hey, does just went to the right.
Here,
you take this. You got one loaded or not?
Yep, I know, you're ready. You're good.
Safe's on.
Yes, safe is on. Good shooting, Tex.
Oh, hey. Right to your left.
I don't have a good shot.
Okay. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. It's right in front of you, right up there.
Pointing away, right?
Yep. There's one to your left. Well, maybe not.
Yeah, there's two of them there.
Okay, it's broadside. Reload. You only got one more bullet. That's all right. Just wait a second.
Fine.
You're right.
I wasn't.
Did you just put it right on her?
I didn't plan it.
Oh, there's a whole bunch over
there.
there. Okay, hold on. Shoot, did you put it right on her?
No, I.
Oh, don't aim
shouldn't
high.
have
We were
shot
close
that.
enough. Shoot. Yeah, they're gonna be gone. Oh crap!
blew my opportunity there.
Yeah, shoot. I
That's
thought.
okay. Like I didn't have the tripod set.
Nope.
Nice, or the bipod
Yep.
set good enough.
I know.
I should have just waited a second, but I got excited.
And there's a hunter up there.
So that's all right, dude. We got a buck.
We did.
We got a buck down. All right, buddy.
Let's go get the kids.
Dude, good job, buddy. That's awesome.
Very nice. Very happy. Oh. Here, I'll take gun.
Okay, I'm looking like a newbie out here. Shoot. Heck yeah, it's not even 8 o'clock. We got a buck down.
Good deal.
That worked out great. I wish I could have capitalized on that doe, but hey, that's fun.
I thought you had it, man.
Well,
I
should have had her, but
Dude, he's got some nice curl
just
to
ended
him.
up. I think you got a nice little buck there, dude.
He's got some curl. Make sure he's still not there.
I'd be interested to see where you shot him. He kind of got up.
right in the front.
What, did ya?
Yep.
Okay.
You gotta poke him in the eye. So you make sure they're
Yeah, bud. Give him a good old poke.
dead.
Dude, he's nice.
Okay.
Yeah, he's dead. Dude, lay your hands on that guy.
Let's have a look see here. Oh, dude.
Dude, that's a nice little buck.
Tip even.
He's got some good curl on him.
Heck yeah.
Nice job, bud.
Love it. On the board here in western South Dakota, Corey got it done.
I screwed the pooch and pulled an Isaac, missed him. But hey, what do you do? I'm gonna blame it on the fact that it's not my gun and I wasn't ready for it. So either way, on the board, doe patrol coming up. Doe patrol. Well, shoot. 4 shots. 4 shots, but it is what it is. I think this is embarrassing to address and probably not good hunter ethics, but I've only shot this rifle out to 200 yards and she was 300 plus on every single one, and she had us pegged right away. She kept coming back. She kept looking at us and stuff. I don't know. But probably should have, I don't know, learning experiences.
At least we didn't, clip her.
Right. Not wounded, all clean misses. Thankful for that.
Yep.
So it is what it is. We'll just keep hunting, try and get closer, and then really put it on them.
Yep.
It's all good. My bad. Learn from your mistakes and move on. All right, so we're in here with old Philly here. Phil has filled his buck tag, and his son Jack back here has filled his doe tag. Basically doing exactly what I should have done when Corey killed his buck. But bygones are bygones. We're jumping in with Phil. We're splitting up a little bit since I and Isaac are the only ones that have tags left. So I'm gonna go with old Big Killer here, and we're gonna try and go find me a doe, and they're gonna split off and go try and find a doe. We're kind of racing the weather. It's supposed to rain, so we're just gonna go until it starts raining or we fill our tags. So that's the game plan. Here we go. Well, in the crappiest conditions, we made the best of it. So we made a huge loop out in an area and didn't see, well, we saw a set, but I missed again, go figure. So Phil said, hey, we're gonna go south a little ways, and I think there's gonna be a group down there. And sure enough, we come down to this area, and there is a good sized group with a huge buck. Made me really sad I did not have a buck tag, but it's okay, because I filled my doe tag. She was probably 100 yards, something like that, and initially thought I missed her because I was kind of shaking. I had to hand hold it because the grass was so tall. And you can actually see the herd maybe right there. You're not gonna see it. Anyways, trust me, they're there. So I shot, thought I missed, and then all of a sudden I looked through the scope again and you see her doing the brrr, and back over she went. So we got a doe. I would have filmed it, but it is nasty out right now. I'm gonna try and show you some of this. Maybe you can see it if it'll focus, but it won't. Raining, nasty wind. Wish I would have just got it done right away this morning, but we're tagging out with what we got. Corey's son Isaac shot a doe, actually, a doe deer, and is not filled his antelope tag, but doesn't really care, he said. So we're heading back to the hotel. We're gonna probably change out, eat some food, and then my brother and I will probably pack up. I am going to take the meat from Corey's antelope because he is nice enough to donate it to me. I've never actually eaten antelope or butchered one, but we're gonna give it its best shot. So, oh, Phil, thanks buddy. Couldn't have done it without you, Phil.
It was a good
and
shot.
I mean that
it was
in
a good shot.
every way.
It was a good shot.
Phil helped me gutless quarter the girl out, and couldn't have done it without him. It was super awesome. Good times. You know, it's that constant pressure. You got to keep getting opportunities, and eventually an opportunity is going to work out. And I clearly learned that I need to do some work with my rifle before my rifle deer tag opens up. But good opportunities, finally made it count. We'll see you on the next hunt.